Hi, my name is Desiree MUTUC. This is my Stakeholder Education Plan video. The importance of education does not need to be explained. Education is of primary importance on every level. Education is important for every social and age group. In today's video, the case of educational program for the major stakeholders in the field of healthcare will be presented. Stakeholder may be defined as a person or an institution that is involved in the healthcare system. Indeed, there can be distinguished in the very least a number of stakeholders. Firstly, there are healthcare providers, mainly in hospitals, though the notion may also refer to governmental organizations catering for health needs of population. These incorporate the medical personnel, as opposed to healthcare providers or patients, or consumers of the services. Besides, there are researchers or the people who conduct research on the behalf of other stakeholders. The theory that can be implemented in educating these heterogeneous stakeholder groups is Gestalt theory. Gestalt theory postulates that instead of knowledge being obtained by us, we usually get the knowledge from analyzing the relationships between the old and the new. Every human has the ability to work out his or her learning experiences, and the information may be interpreted in many ways. The obvious advantages of the theory lie in the fact that it stresses the uniqueness of the educational process and pays attention to the tradition. The theory can be applied in specially created educational centers, which large stakeholders may help to finance in order to facilitate the project. The centers should cater for different groups. Thus, there should be the ones for patients, doctors, researchers, and etc. The leading professors in Gestalt theory should also contribute to the project. Finally, the question of BMI and its interconnection with the notion of social modifications will be considered. According to its definition, BMI is an assessment of weight and height of the individual and is a proportion between the two values. The basic premise is that using Gestalt theory and also the principle of social modification, BMI can be significantly improved. Social modifications can be defined as a method based on behavior change procedures, which in particular refer to social integration of the individual in a different environment. Thus, the whole behavior pattern of the individual is changed. Through a 3-month period, individuals engaged in social modifications programs managed to significantly reduce weight as opposed to the individuals who did not undergo such program. BMI of both groups was more than 24, but in the first group the number was put under control in the very least. Thank you for watching my Stakeholder Educational Plan video.